Namaste, Vanakkam, Namaskaram. Welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. I hope every one of you are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my small balcony makeover. For the first DIY, I have taken here this cardboard which I have cut in this shape, and I'm going to stick them using hot glue gun. I have used masking tape on the sides, and I'm going to make some impressions like this with the help of hot glue gun. This step is optional, you can even avoid it, and then I am going to start painting in blue color. So then I will allow this to dry. In the meanwhile, I am going to draw a bird like this on a cardstock, and I am going to cut it. And then I'm going to color it with acrylic colors. You can even use colored papers, but I preferred coloring because it gives a shine to the birds. I'm going to make some 10 birds here. You can even use cardboard instead of cardstock. Now all our 10 birds are ready. So this is the balcony that I am going to transform today. I am not going to paint it. So it has become little dirty, but I am going to do my best to make it look better. And that inverter over there is currently not working. So I am just going to cover it with a piece of cloth. So for that I have just used some plywoods on the top to balance the height. Now I have put 4 nails on one side of the wall and another 4 nails on the other side of the wall. I am taking here black woolen rope, and I am going to make some zigzag patterns with the help of the nails like this. So after making zigzag patterns, this is how the DIY looks. I am just using 3mm double-sided tape to stick the birds onto the rope. So I'll stick all the 10 birds randomly. So this is how the end product looks. So you can see how beautiful it looks, and it has added a pop of color to my wall. So now I am going to put the cardboard which we painted initially on the wall with the help of 3mm double-sided tape. So you can see I just wanted to give a door effect with that cardboard, and I have attached some 2 stones which I already had, and you can see I used some cardboard piece to place those flowers which I did not like. Then I removed it later on. So now I am going to paint on the wall. I am going to just do a random design. I am using here green paint to paint some leaves. After we have completed painting, this is how the wall looks. So I wanted something to be put on the wall, so I made this DIY. I just used a jute rope and glass jars, and I attached the glass jars to jute rope like this, and I am going to put some money plants in it, and I am going to attach it to the wall. This is how it looks. You can see I have removed the base that was there under the door. So I wanted some more pop of color, so for that I am using here this jute rope, and I have taken a stem like this, to which I am going to attach this jute rope, and then I am going to stick the flowers to the jute rope with the help of Fevibond like this. These are cloth flowers which one auntie gave as a gift to my mom, so I am just going to reuse them here. So now the flowers DIY is ready. Let us put it on the wall and check how it looks. So as I already told, I'm just using this plywood to balance the height of this inverter. So now I'm just going to wrap it with the cloth like this, and I'm going to place a Buddha statue on it. And I place some flowers. And this is how the space looks now. I always wanted to keep a vertical garden, but I did not had any furniture for it. So I just reused this 4-tier ladder which we easily have at our home. So and it serves the purpose. Now I'm just going to place some plants here and some cute elements. After placing the plants, this is how the ladder looks. Isn't it looking lovely? Do let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. If you guys want, you can even change the color of the ladder. Actually, the Buddha which I placed behind the ladder is actually visible from our living space, and I just love it. So you can see there is some space near the window. Even on that, I just place some plants. So to make the seating, I'm just going to use this runner. This runner I showed you guys in Amazon Decor Haul. If you haven't checked, I'll put the link in the description box. You guys can check it out. To make the seating, I'm just going to use these plastic stools. You can see the height isn't matched. So I'm just using one book here to balance the height. And then I had this piece of plywood which I'm going to just place it over here like this. And then I'm just going to wrap it with the sari. Friends, if you are liking this video, please give a thumbs up because that's going to motivate me to do more such videos. And if you are new here, please subscribe and click on that ting 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 bell icon so you get notifications of all my future videos. There are a lot of interesting videos coming up, friends, so don't forget to subscribe. So now our seating is ready. It's time to add in some cushions. Our cozy space in our balcony is ready. So there is a wall near the balcony door on which I put some 2 nails to attach this tribal mask which I made from plastic bottles. So if you want to know how I made them, I'll put the link in the description box so you guys can check it out. And it's time for the final reveal. So friends, we are a family of 4,000 members now, and I'm so happy. I feel blessed because there are a lot of YouTubers now, and it has become very difficult for growing in YouTube, and I don't think growing on YouTube is as easy as they say. It's really very difficult, and everyone has some thoughts like YouTubers get so much of money. Even I had, but it's not like that. It doesn't work like that. Once you get monetized, you will know how the YouTube works. So I will make a video on my YouTube journey. I have a plan for it, and there are a lot of interesting videos I want to share with you guys. Keep supporting guys, keep sharing, keep liking. I have been running this channel for almost a year now, but if you see, I was continuously posting like past 3 or 4 months, especially in this lockdown period. Initially 10 to 15 videos I posted quite regularly, and after that I changed my niche, and then I again came back to my niche. So it took some time for me to understand how the YouTube works, and hopefully one day one video of our channel will go viral. So I'm just hoping for that one day. Till then, keep supporting guys. Thank you so much for all the love. You can see my little monkey sitting there enjoying the view and plants, fresh air. So I'll see you all in the next interesting video. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye friends.